to log in into Citizens Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate, and on today's video I will guide you how you can log in into Citizens Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar, then type in Citizens Bank login. Once you're here, scroll to a bit, and from here you have to head towards this link, that is www.citizensbank.com or mobile and online banking. So click on it. That's gonna take you to their official website, which will look like this. Here you will have a login button. Click on this login button at the top right corner. Now again you have to select your account. Click on this drop down, then you have to select your account type. Here you can go with personal and small businesses. Once you're done, now click on login. Then you'll be taken into login page. Scroll down a bit, and under this section, first of all you have to enter your user ID that is associated with your online account. Under that, enter your password. Make sure you type in your correct password. In case if you have any trouble logging in, or if you forgot your password, there is a link right here. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. Then you'll be able to log in back. So once you're done entering your login credential here, all you have to do is click on login button. If you have entered your correct login credential, you will be logged in into your account. And that's it. That's how you can log in into your Citizens Bank online banking account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.